Tether, commonly known by its ticker symbol USDT, is one of the most widely used cryptocurrencies in the world. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, Tether is a stablecoin, a digital asset designed to maintain a steady value, typically pegged 1 to the US dollar. This stability makes it a critical tool for traders, investors, and institutions who need a bridge between traditional finance and the often volatile crypto markets. The cryptocurrency market is notorious for sharp price swings. Stablecoins like Tether aim to solve this problem by offering the efficiency of blockchain transactions without the wild volatility. Traders can quickly move in and out of risky positions by parking funds in USDT, while exchanges use it to quote prices and provide liquidity without relying on slow or expensive bank transfers. Tether was first introduced in 2014 under the name Realcoin, created by Brock Pierce, Reeve Collins, and Craig Sellers. Shortly thereafter, it was rebranded as Tether and launched on the Bitcoin blockchain using the Omni-layer protocol. Over time, the project expanded to multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, Tron, and Solana, making it highly accessible across the crypto ecosystem. The defining feature of Tether is its claim that every USDT token is backed by an equivalent reserve of assets, traditionally US dollars or cash equivalents. In theory, this means users can redeem one Tether for one US dollar at any time. The company behind the token, Tether Limited, manages these reserves and publishes regular attestations to show that the outstanding tokens are fully backed. Despite its popularity, Tether has faced intense scrutiny. Critics have questioned whether the company always holds enough reserves to cover every token in circulation. In 2021, the New York Attorney General's office settled with Tether and its affiliated exchange Bitfinex, alleging that they misrepresented their reserves. Tether agreed to pay a fine and improve transparency but did not admit wrongdoing. Today, Tether states that its reserves consist of cash, treasury bills, commercial paper, secured loans, and other assets. The company has made efforts to increase transparency by releasing quarterly attestations from independent accounting firms. In recent years, Tether claims to have shifted towards safer assets, with a significant portion now held in U.S. treasuries, which are considered low risk. Initially confined to Bitcoin's Omni-layer, Tether now operates on many major blockchains, including Ethereum as an ERC20 token, Tron as a TRC20 token, and even emerging networks like Avalanche and Polygon. This multi-chain approach ensures that Tether can serve users across different platforms, facilitating quick transfers and deep liquidity in decentralized finance DeFi applications. USDT has become the lifeblood of crypto exchanges worldwide. Many trading pairs use Tether instead of traditional fiat currencies, allowing users to trade assets 24/7 without needing to interact with banks. In regions with unstable national currencies or strict capital controls, Tether is often used as a dollar substitute, providing a relatively stable store of value and a means to move money internationally. ideas like Tether are increasingly on the radar of regulators. Governments worry about their impact on monetary policy, financial stability, and anti-money laundering efforts. The United States, the European Union, and other jurisdictions are drafting rules that could require stablecoin issuers to hold certain types of reserves, submit to audits, or obtain banking licenses. How Tether adapts to these regulations will shape its future. While Tether remains the largest stablecoin by market capitalization, it faces competition from alternatives like USD Coin USDC, Binance USD BUSD, though shrinking, and decentralized options such as DAI. USDC, issued by Circle, has positioned itself as the more transparent and regulatory-friendly option. Yet Tether continues to dominate trading volumes, especially in Asia and emerging markets. In the last couple of years, Tether has reported record profits from interest on its massive holdings of U.S. Treasuries. It has also announced investments in renewable energy projects and technology ventures, signaling ambitions beyond stablecoins. Supporters argue that Tether's growing reserves and global reach make it stronger than ever, while skeptics still urge caution until full, real-time audits are commonplace. Tether occupies a unique and sometimes controversial position in the crypto economy. It provides the stability and liquidity that make decentralized finance and global crypto trading possible, yet it must constantly prove its legitimacy to regulators, investors, and critics. Whether Tether continues as the dominant stablecoin or cedes ground to competitors will depend on transparency, regulatory adaptation, and its ability to maintain the trust of millions of users worldwide.